from 38 years of misrule and dictatorship. Vote ZAPU and reclaim your livelihoods and dignity. ZAPU is with you, for Zimbabweans, and for Zimbabwe. That is my foreword to the manifesto. Then the manifesto has a preamble which reminds us of where we're coming from as ZAPU. Coming from the ANC chapter of the African National Congress, which got banned in 1959. And then soon after that, the National Democratic Party formed, and ZAPU's formation in 1961. It deals